DJI has made a bold statement with its latest release, the Neo 2, aiming to shake up the affordable drone market with features typically reserved for high-end models. Starting at an impressive $229 for the standard combo, which includes the drone, controller, and a battery, the Neo 2 is positioned as an accessible cinematic tool without compromising on quality. For those seeking extended flight times, DJI offers 2 and 3 battery combos ranging from $279 to $429, with the latter even including a carrying case. The Fly More Combo Motion Control Edition, priced between $429 and $529, adds DJI's motion controller and FPV gear for a more immersive flying experience, signaling that professional-style drone filmmaking is no longer limited to those with a Hollywood-sized budget. The Neo 2 is compact, lightweight, and regulation-friendly, tipping the scales at under 250 grams while packing serious power. The drone features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second, paired with 10-bit HDR and DLOG M for professional-grade footage. It also includes ActiveTrack 6.0, gesture and voice controls, making it approachable for beginners while still appealing to seasoned creators. The upgraded 1,660 mAh battery boosts flight time to 20 to 25 minutes, and DJI has equipped the drone with level 5 wind resistance and a top speed of 16 meters per second in sport mode. The latest O4 transmission system offers a 10 km range, ensuring smoother video feeds, minimal latency, and fewer connection dropouts. DJI's focus with the Neo 2 seems to be on democratizing cinematic storytelling. It is being marketed as a creative companion for vloggers, FPV beginners, and filmmakers who want to capture moments in a fresh, dynamic way. While competitors may excel in isolated specifications like weight or range, the Neo 2 distinguishes itself with its well-rounded performance, build quality, and integration into DJI's ecosystem. This combination of power, portability, and user-friendly features makes it a compelling choice for creators who value reliability and versatility. The upcoming launch is slated for November 2025, with insider sources hinting at a mid-November announcement and a release embargo set for January 15, 2026. The Neo 2 represents a leap from the first DJI Neo, which was more of an experimental gadget, transforming now into a serious storytelling tool. Its compact form does not compromise on performance, offering cinematic capabilities previously reserved for much larger and more expensive drones. DJI has clearly designed this drone as a love letter to creative freedom, providing a fun, fearless, and professional-grade tool that fits in the palm of your hand. Alongside the Neo 2, DJI is also preparing to refresh its Pocket camera line, with leaks suggesting the release of both the Pocket 4 and a potential Pocket 4 Pro by late 2025. The Pocket 4 is expected to be lighter and more compact than the Pocket 3, with a 50-megapixel 1.3-inch sensor commonly found in high-end smartphones, while retaining the beloved rotating viewfinder. Features like Hasselblad color tuning, advanced zoom, and AI-assisted image processing aim to deliver cinematic quality footage in a pocketable body, with a focus on low-light performance. Early rumors hint that the Pocket 4 Pro may introduce a dual-lens setup and even more advanced capabilities, further expanding DJI's creative toolkit for mobile content creators. Pricing for the standard Pocket 4 will likely be close to the Pocket 3's $628.90, with the Pro model expected to command a higher price. In addition to drones and cameras, the tech landscape is preparing for a dramatic shake-up with devices like the Honor robot phone. Revealed in a teaser during the Honor Magic 8 launch event, this concept blends smartphone functionality with robotics. The device integrates a gimbal-mounted camera capable of motion tracking, performing gestures, and responding to user interactions. Described as an emotional companion, the phone is designed to sense, adapt, and evolve, effectively offering a form of interaction beyond conventional smartphones. The camera module unfolds from the phone's body like a small robotic assistant, flipping forward for selfies, tilting for cinematic pans, and repositioning automatically. Although the device is currently CG only and Honor has not confirmed whether a working prototype will be shown at MWC 2025, early registration for behind-the-scenes updates and testing is open. Rumored pricing in the US market ranges from $1,600 to $1,900, placing it in a premium category well above existing foldables and smartphones. The Neo 2, Pocket 4, and innovations like the Honor Robot phone illustrate a clear trend. Technology is increasingly focused on creative freedom, cinematic quality, and interactive experiences, all while becoming more accessible. DJI is leveraging its ecosystem and reputation for quality to make filmmaking and content creation more approachable, while competitors are exploring new frontiers in AI-driven interaction and robotics. For creators, this means an exciting era where professional-grade tools are no longer limited by cost or size, allowing anyone to tell stories with cinematic flair or engage with devices that respond in lifelike ways. The Neo 2, in particular, seems poised to redefine what a mini drone can achieve. Its blend of affordability, portability, and pro-level features positions it as a serious contender in the 4K cinematic drone market. Whether you are capturing high-octane action sequences, scenic landscapes, or casual vlogs, the Neo 2 promises an intuitive flying experience that balances technical sophistication with playful exploration. The combination of gesture and voice controls ensures that even novices can pilot the drone effectively, while seasoned users will appreciate the robust for transmission system, wind resistance, and cinematic recording capabilities. Meanwhile, the DJI Pocket 4 series continues the company's mission to empower content creators with compact, high-quality imaging tools. By reducing weight and enhancing performance, DJI is addressing long-standing demands for portability without sacrificing control or image quality. Features like AI-assisted processing, improved color grading, and potential dual-lens configurations on the Pro variant hint at an industry-leading level of versatility for pocketable cameras. For vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators, these devices could become essential tools, simplifying the process of capturing professional-looking footage wherever they go. In the larger scope of consumer electronics, devices like the Honor Robot phone push the envelope even further. Its robotic camera module and AI-driven responsiveness suggest a future where technology interacts seamlessly with human behavior, adapting dynamically to emotions and actions. While the concept may seem futuristic now, it highlights the direction in which innovation is heading: immersive, intelligent, and emotionally attuned devices that blur the lines between tool and companion. The potential market for such devices is immense, especially among enthusiasts willing to pay a premium for transformative technology experiences. Taken together, the Neo 2, Pocket 4 series, and emerging robotic smartphones reflect a larger narrative. Technology is increasingly designed to enable creative expression, responsiveness, and accessibility. DJI's ecosystem strengthens the appeal of its drones and cameras, while innovations from companies like Honor signal the beginning of more interactive and adaptive consumer devices. As 2025 unfolds, creators and tech enthusiasts alike will have access to tools that once seemed exclusive to professional studios or experimental labs. Affordable, compact, and high-performance drones like the Neo 2 allow users to explore cinematic storytelling with minimal barriers, while AI-driven devices promise a future of highly interactive, responsive technology. In conclusion, DJI is redefining the creative landscape with the Neo 2 and its Pocket 4 cameras, blending advanced technology, accessibility, and portability into tools that inspire exploration and storytelling. The Neo 2 demonstrates that cinematic quality drones no longer require a massive investment, and its user-friendly controls make it approachable for everyone from beginners to pros. The Pocket 4 and Pro variants continue DJI's tradition of compact, high-quality imaging solutions, and leaks suggest that the company is focused on performance, portability, and flexibility. Meanwhile, the Honor Robot phone represents a glimpse into a future where devices interact with users in lifelike ways, highlighting the broader shift toward intelligent, responsive technology. Overall, 2025 promises to be an exciting year for creators, offering tools that combine creativity, innovation, and accessibility, transforming the way stories are captured, shared, and experienced. This emerging generation of devices emphasizes versatility, ease of use, and high-quality results, proving that cutting-edge technology can be both approachable and empowering. DJI's commitment to the creative community ensures that storytelling is not limited by budget, experience, or size. While forward-looking innovations like the Honor robot phone suggest a future where technology understands and adapts to its user. For anyone passionate about content creation, filmmaking, or simply exploring the skies, these tools herald a new era of accessible, intelligent, and immersive technology that promises to expand creative possibilities and inspire new forms of expression.